In this video, we are going to see how we can use the WhatsApp web on Google Chrome or with any browser basically. But for this particular example, we will use Google Chrome. So this is a quick video that explains completely how we can use the web WhatsApp. That is the extension of the WhatsApp application that you get on the Android or Apple Store, just to make it convenient and directly able to use it on a laptop or on a PC. So first of all, just go to the Google and just write here WhatsApp web, and you will get this official link that you will click to. And here it shows you this QR code option that you need to scan from your phone. Now how to do it on your phone? Let's see. Now on the WhatsApp application, just click on the three dots and click on link devices. After that, just click on the link device again from the bottom, and it might ask you for the confirmation of the fingerprint or the password, whatever it is. And what you can do is just go to the WhatsApp and scan this code. After that, it will log in. These options you will get in mobile, while in desktop, you will get an option like this. It's loading your chats. Now, this is the same as you see it on your phone. So it's almost whatever you do it on your phone, you can see that the interface, everything is same. What you can do is just you can share the media, attach documents, photos, cameras, and that's very simple. If it is a group, you can use that and you can chat from the specific person as well. And also if you want to search for a new chat for a specific person, you can search for all the contacts here. And also if we click on this three dots, we can even create the new group from here. So if you, let's say WhatsApp web group, first of all, we'll just add a member and let's write WhatsApp web group, hit enter, and we can create the group directly from here. Also, you can turn on the dark mode and put the status and everything else. So let's quickly identify that. First of all, just go to the status, just click on this plus icon. If it is a text, you can just write just trying, let's say, and hit enter. And this is the status uploaded. After that, you can just click on this status, and if you want to delete it, you can delete it from here as well. Next thing, what most of you people like is just turning everything into dark mode. So just click on the settings and click on the chats, and here you can see the default theme is set to system default, but let's switch it to dark mode. Click OK, and as you can see, it is switched to dark mode. Next thing, and like I said, everything else just works like you normally do on your mobile phone. You won't be able to call or video call from web WhatsApp. So what you can do is just if someone calls you, you will get the notification of it on web WhatsApp, but you should be able to attend it on your phone only. So that's pretty much it. But this web WhatsApp is very handy to use. I use all the time for my important messages because it's so much convenient. Instead of manually checking all the messages, you're just sitting, you're working, and meanwhile you can check the important messages and reply to them as well. Especially if you're using it on your workplace, you can easily send the PDFs, Excel sheets directly from the computer. So that makes it much more handy. And that's pretty much it on how you can connect the web WhatsApp on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.